Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl chanellenovosey and I am here just to give you a quick update on what to expect in February on my channel. First off, we just wrapped up everything red and gold that we did in the last series. So I showed you guys how to do a red and gold theme wedding decor extravaganza and it was amazing. So I showed you how to make a silk flower bouquet with gold embellishments and it was beautiful. I'll have to show you guys close-up pictures on Instagram. So if you're not following me already, make sure that you follow me at chanellenovosey on Instagram. So I showed you guys how to make a bouquet. I also showed you how to make gold table numbers, which was absolutely beautiful. Most of these things are Dollar Tree products, so be sure to check the description box so you can see a full list of everything in this last series. I also showed you how to make a table runner and some bling that was used from Totally Dazzled. It was absolutely beautiful. I also showed you how to do a ring pillow from the Dollar Tree. That was very innovative and I really did enjoy that. And I also showed you guys how to make a fake cake using fondant, and we added a pop of red roses and some brooches. And I also showed you guys how to make this centerpiece right here, as well as some smaller ones like this one right here. So later on this month, I'll be taking all of those DIYs over to a venue, and I'll be showing you how I actually set a table and what it looks like in real life. Now I'm going to be adding some other products to that, so that you can see a full scale of what a table looks like being set. So you'll be seeing some plates and silverware and things that I didn't show you in the series, but I'll be having a full list of where you can buy those products from as well. So in addition to showing you guys how to set a full table for a wedding, I'm also going to be showing you a new series that I'm bringing to my channel called The Meetup. And what The Meetup is going to be is it's going to be me introducing you to entrepreneurs here in the Atlanta area. Some are in the event industry, which I thought would be of interest to my subscribers, and I'm going to be showing you what they do, and they'll be showing you how they started their business and giving you some really helpful tools as to being an entrepreneur and some really helpful tips to working in the event industry. So that is what I'm going to be doing for the month of February. I did take a bit of a backseat to the DIY brides. I reached out so many times to people and I really tried to get it off the ground, but it just didn't hit. I think what I'm going to do is just hit up some of these what do you call them, these bridal shows and scout for some brides to come over and do DIY brides. So it's not completely excluded, but for now I'm going to go the opposite route and show you guys some of the event designers here in the Atlanta area, as well as entrepreneurs that I feel like will be of interest. You guys will see me work with some dynamic entrepreneurs, and you'll see another side of me, hopefully, other than just sitting and doing DIYs. You'll see me interact with people, which is what my plan is for 2019, is to be more interactive with other entrepreneurs. So also in the month of February, what you'll be seeing me do is bring on some Black History Month DIYs. I'm super excited about this. Today I kind of went down the rabbit hole and just dove into Black History Month, and I really am excited about bringing you some really cool DIYs for the month of February, which will go around the whole Black History Month theme. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys do. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I just wanted to catch you up on what's going on for the month of February. If you didn't check out those awesome DIYs that I did for those previous DIYs, make sure to check it out. Everything will be listed in the description box, and if you enjoyed this, and you're going to definitely enjoy the future content, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you all really soon. Have a blessed day. Bye.